Hey beauties, thanks for tuning in to CYB TV. So you already know who it is. This is Cherish, and yes, as you guys were able to tell by the thumbnail, I am going to be trying out this hair paint wax. I'm just gonna get into it because you know baby is asleep and I want to be able to get through this video without any interruptions. Okay, so I have picked up, well, I didn't pick it up, I ordered. I ordered the green hair paint wax. So you can see that. I got the blue and I got the gold. So I really wanted to do like an aquamarine color. That's what I had in my mind for the color I want to try in my hair. And I went to the site, and this was like literally like a couple weeks ago. I've already had this for a couple of weeks, I think. Yeah, it's been about that long. But I went to their site and the aquamarine, of course, was sold out. But they do have an aquamarine shade, which is really cool. So I said, let me just get the green and the blue. And then I also just said, let me get gold, just because I feel like it's more of a neutral color. And they had like every color. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, I should have got purple too. But I wanted to just get like the main colors that I saw myself trying out for the first time, just to see if I like it. I didn't want to go crazy and buy them all, and what if I was like, okay, I don't like it. I did cheat a little bit because I went on and opened up this shade, and did I open? Oh, and the gold shade, but I didn't try it on my own hair. I actually tried it on my sister-in-law and my niece's hair. So I was like, ooh, blue popping. But it is time for me to try it out on my hair. So my hair is literally like going on, is it over a month? It's been straight for almost a month, or maybe it has been a month. I've lost track. But it is time for me to just wash it and just to like put a lot of moisturizers in it, because you know it's the winter time and it's just that time that I need to moisturize it. But I am going to try this hair paint wax with my hair semi-straight, okay? Because I'm going to actually be doing some flexi rods, and I don't have time right now to be dealing with my natural hair with the combing and the detangling and all that. So I felt like it would be better to just do it like this. So yeah, we gonna mix these two. So let's get into this. Some flexi rods with some old hair wrapped around it. But anyways, I'm going to get this all together, you guys. Society. But I'm gonna get my hair parted up. Actually, I'm not parting anything. I'm not. I don't even know where to start. So I'm going to apply the wax, and then we're going to roll. And I'm not going to do any particular order. I'm just going to do it. So let's open this. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, shimmer, 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 shine. And I got to open this one because I didn't open this one yet. I literally almost choked on a piece of plastic. I need to slow down. My goodness. It comes foiled, so I am kind of doing, I guess this is like a reveal or a review, you know? So this is what it came with, the foil. And then there you go. I have not tried it, as you can see. I've tried this. So we're going to just get this going. Ooh, look at this blue though. Ooh. And it's going on super easy. So this is the blue, you guys. Oh, I'm just using my hands. I didn't even think to maybe put gloves, but it does wash off pretty easy. So I'm going to do something like this. Like the dark or the blue right here. And then the green towards the bottom. And I'm going to roll it up. I really hope this turns out right. Ooh, there we go. Getting that aquamarine. Oh, that looks so pretty. Slide that through. Alrighty, so after all of the rolling and just putting the product on, I went on and sat under the dryer for about an hour. I didn't want to let it air dry overnight. I didn't want to risk getting the stuff all over my, bedding and all that. So I went on and did it the speedy way. And as I'm taking out these flexi rods, I am definitely making sure, since my hair is still a little damp, I'm making sure that I'm taking my time to separate the curls without creating a lot of frizz. It's going to frizz up a little bit, but I'm doing my best to maintain the curls. So I'm pretty much just putting it on the side and styling it the way that I like it. Just separating the curls some, fluffing it up. I'm also using the big tail comb just to plump up the roots so it won't be so flat on top. And yeah, that's what I'm doing, you guys, I'm just making it to where I really like the style, and you know, slicking those baby hairs and doing all that good stuff. And voila, this is it. This is the finished hair style with the hair paint wax all up in it. So you guys, as you can pretty much tell, this is the end of the video. I don't know why I say it's the end and I'm still talking. But anyways, pretty much I just wanted to say that I overall like how this turned out. I like the colors, and I also like the curls and everything. And just a couple of other things just about the product. I think the product is a pretty awesome product for the price. Well, I got it at $7. That's how much it was when I got it. I don't know, because when things like become in demand, you know, businesses tend to raise their prices. So I haven't been to the website since I got it, which was like a couple weeks ago, but on their Instagram and everything, they are like blowing up. So a lot more people are knowing about them. So I'm glad I was able to try it now. And yeah, overall, I think it's a pretty cool product. For me, it does flake, and it's something that I won't be able to do all the time, because I do see that it could be very drying to the hair. But I definitely think it's cool for like a temporary style and just temporary fashion and fun. So yeah, thumbs up. But this is pretty much it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Be sure to subscribe and thumbs up, and also tell me what you think. Okay, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.